Penny Arcade. I go upstairs inside my mother's apartment every day after telling sucker. Don't start it, cause where I'm at, if you're soft, you're lost. To stay on course means to roll with force. A boy named Rob, chilling in the Benz, in front of my building with the rest of his friends. I give him a pound, I shake his hand, he's a neighborhood drug dealer. My man, I go upstairs, I hug my mother, I kiss my sister, I punch my brother. I go in my room just to watch the TV, but in a pow, pow, do my ears deceive me? No, that's the 4th time this week. Another good person shot dead in the street. My sister is cute, but she has no gear. I got 3 pair of pants with my brother I share. They're in school, I made a fool with one of the hair pants. You ain't cool, but there's no dollars or nothing else. I got beans, rice, and bread on my shelf, so every day I watch my mother struggling. Now it's time I got to do something. I go to work, I get this like a jerk. I do odd jobs and come home like a slob. But here comes Rob, his gold is shimmery. He give me $200 for a quick delivery. I do it once, I do it twice. Now it's steak with the beans and rice. Now my mother is nervous, but she knows the deal. My sister again now has sex appeal. My brother's my partner while we get paid once again. Kick up my feet to watch some TV. Cause now I got other people working for me. I got a 55-inch television, you know? And every once in a while I hear a just say no. Or the other commercial I love is when they say, this is your brain on drugs. I grab the remote and I just turn, cause with that bullshit, I'm not concerned. I grab my brother, I jump in my BM, ride around my territory once again. I stop at the light like a superstar, an automatic weapons flew straight at my car. I pressed on the accelerator, I was scared as shit. I drove a block away to find my brother was hit. Now my brother wasn't dead, but his blood was pouring. All I could do was think about Warren. Later I found out it was Robin's crew. Tell me what the fuck am I supposed to do?
Now, attach that to the YouTube of me. Jeff Fisher Addresses the World, Part 1, and Part 2, and a few other ones. I really am Albor's partner. I was his Branson, I'm the idol maker. You're kidding. You know what? In the name of God, you're fucking good. I can offer him a big contract. Hook me up online. Seriously. Just go to YouTube, put in Jeff Fisher Addresses the World, and you'll see why every fucking cop in the United States is scared of this civil rights guy. You'll find out a lot more. Ciao.
Ciao. And this is going to be the last one. This is going to be